Good evening. Today's top story, how to save money in your film photography. Actually, it's not really much of a story, maybe more of a quick tip. Film. Obviously, it's going to be one of your big expenses with shooting film, and you're going to go through a lot of it, and you're going to screw it up, and you will have cameras that, you need to test or are broken, and you don't want to waste your good film while you're doing it. So today's hot tip, Walmart sells Kodak Gold 200. Here in Canada, it's $5 a roll for 24 shots on each roll. It's not amazing film. I mean, it's not going to be bad either. It is film that was designed for grandpas and grandmas everywhere to take pictures of their long-lost nieces or nephews' banquet table at their wedding. So it's always going to be okay, I'm sure. But once again, if you're looking for a specific look, it's not going to be fantastic. But if you're testing that camera, or you're just not sure if you are ready to get into film photography, this is your easy in. I'm sure there are other stores that can carry it, but here in Canada, so far I've only found this for this cheap at Walmart. So there's your quick tip. Have a great day.